In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Apple Maps to walking, driving, cycling, and more in iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to do this through settings by going into the Maps app settings and changing the preferred type of travel. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point, I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen and we need to find maps. So at this point, I'm scrolling through the list until I see maps. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see maps, so I'm tapping on maps. Now we're inside the maps settings page. On this screen, look for the section labeled preferred type of travel. That's where you control which travel mode Apple Maps uses by default. Alright, I'm at the preferred type of travel section, and this is where you can choose from driving, walking, transit, or cycling. So at this point, I'm tapping the option I want. If you want maps to default to driving directions, tap driving. If you want it to default to walking, tap walking. If you usually take public transport, tap transit. And if you want bike routes by default, tap cycling. Once you tap your choice, it should select right away, usually with a check mark or a clear highlight, and that's your confirmation it's set. There's no save button here, so the change applies immediately. At this point, you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and Apple Maps will now use your selected preferred type of travel going forward.